If you have dark circles, chances are you've tried everything. Be it eye creams, home remedies, cucumber slices, concealers, makeup, you name it, and I'm sure you have tried it. But have you ever tried to explore dark circles hote kyun hai? As a dermatologist, we know this is not merely a skin change that you see on the top of your skin. From a dermatology point of view, there are about 5 different types of dark circles, and until and unless हमें cause नहीं पता, हम इसे treat नहीं कर पाएंगे. In this video today we're going to talk about dark circles. ये होते क्यों हैं, इन्हें कैसे prevent किया जा सकता है, और अगर ये हो गए, so how are we going to treat them? So come with me. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Now, as we all know, the skin under your eyes is relatively thin. यहाँ पे oil glands भी कम होते हैं, collagen भी कम होता है. इसलिए fatigue, dehydration, aging, stress, poor sleep hygiene, overall lifestyle issues are the first to be seen under your eyes. And from a dermatology standpoint, हम dark circles को 5 different categories में classify करते हैं. Pigmented dark circles, vascular dark circles, structural issues. These could be a lifestyle issue, and definitely one could be mixed of all of these together. Let's start with the first and the most common type, that is pigmented dark circles. Now, ये pigmented dark circles होते क्यों हैं? There's a pigment called melanin which is extra in the under eye area in these cases, जिसकी वजह से ये area dark या डार्क ब्राउन दिखाई देता है. नाउ इसके मोस्ट कॉमन कॉजेज क्या होते हैं? दिस कुड बी जेनेटिक, दिस कुड बी लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड, दिस कुड बी ड्यू टू सन एक्सपोजर, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ केसेस दिस इज फ्रिक्शन एसोसिएटेड. मतलब हम अनवॉलंटली, अननोइंगली अपनी आंखें बहुत ज़्यादा रगड़ते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ रबिंग वी इंक्रीज द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इन दिस एरिया एंड इवेंचुअली द पिगमेंट ऑल्सो, विच मेक्स दिस एरिया लुक डल एज वेल एज डार्क. नाउ अब हमें कॉज पता चल गया, तो प्रिवेंशन इज ईजी. हम क्या करेंगे? सन एक्सपोजर को प्रिवेंट करेंगे बाय वेयरिंग अ वाइड ब्रिम hat or sunglasses. You're going to avoid rubbing this area. Friction rub को हम avoid करेंगे. अब skincare ingredients that are going to help us with this: sunscreen लगाएंगे, and vitamin C, niacinamide, and mild retinol preparations to be applied at bedtime after moisturization in this area. Now moving on to vascular dark circles. These look more bluish or purplish, and this is not pigmentation. This is in the case where हमारी skin इतनी ज़्यादा thin हो जाती है कि underlying blood vessels look more prominent. So these are commonly seen in people who have congested sinuses, who are addicted to alcohol, who are sleep deprived or dehydrated in general. आपने नोटिस किया होगा जब आप थके हुए होते हैं तो these vascular dark circles look all the more prominent. अब इन्हें फिक्स करने का तरीका क्या है? You have to make sure that you have a cleaner lifestyle, you stay away from alcohol, you hydrate well, and you make sure that you're using some caffeine-based products under your eye and some little bit of eye stimulation under the eye in the form of your creams. These days we get these very good creams which have a stimulator at the tip, जहाँ हम circular motion से अपने blood circulation को बढ़ा सकते हैं, and we can get rid of these dark circles to a great extent. Moving on to structural dark circles. Now, this is not because of pigmentation, nor is it a vascular issue. This is basically a structural issue जहाँ पे क्या होता है? We have a structural deficit. Your eye sockets are big and the soft tissue of your eye is deeply placed in these circles. Now, having said that, उसकी वजह से एक shadow form होता है जिसको हम बोलते हैं tear trough. In that tear trough deformity, which is in layman words हम बोलेंगे तो एक खड्डा दिखाई देता है आँख के नीचे, which cannot be fixed with makeup, which cannot be fixed with eye creams, and the only way we can fix it is with tear trough fillers or collagen biostimulation. Moving on to lifestyle and nutritional dark circles. Now, nutritional deficiencies हैं या lifestyle issues हैं, late night phone use करना, sleep cycle disturb होना, पानी नहीं पीना, dehydrated रहना, आंखें रगड़ना, all of these things. अब इसका क्विक फिक्स क्या होगा? सिंपल लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस. एक फिक्स टाइम जहां मुझे सोना है, एक रूटीन जहां मुझे फिजिकल एक्टिविटी को भी इनकॉर्पोरेट करना है, पानी पीना है. आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट रब माई आईज टू ऑफन. आई डू नॉट यूज ब्लू स्क्रीन, ब्लू लाइट in the night when all the lights around me are turned off and I am putting all the strain on my eyes. And if at all you have a chashma, do not live without a chashma. Do not wear a chashma and be straining your eyes, because that could also lead to dark circles. results. Talking about mixed dark circles, it's a very commonly seen entity जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा vascular element भी होता है, pigmentation भी होती है, lifestyle issues भी होते हैं, and we have deep set eyes also. In these cases, combination treatments work best along with lifestyle modification, and they will give you almost permanent results. You know, if you're fixing everything, you really see changes that will last you lifelong, and they don't come back if at all you understand the cause well. So dark circles को सिर्फ एक cosmetic problem समझना is going to be oversimplifying the topic. Having said that, अगर ये concealer से conceal हो रहे हैं तो मुझे treat करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है is not the right approach. You make sure that you treat the cause and you get rid of them permanently. जब आपकी internal health is matching on the outside, your skin eventually glows. So it's a balance of the two, and if you found today's video helpful, or if you know anyone who's struggling with dark circles and can use this information, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll keep coming back with more such content.